At ano pang sabi sa Proverbs, sa kasabihan, that wealth is worthless in the day of wrath, but righteousness delivers us from death. Ang mahalaga ay sa kahuli-hulihan, maging matuwid ka. Yes, money could buy us pleasures, comfort in life. But remember that money and wealth could never buy us in heaven. Be content, yes, but learn to strike a balance on making your life beautiful. Try to improve your life, yes. At the same time, by not being too much in love, being greedy for wealth and possession.